Binalik mo na.
Are you actually crying?
No, I'm not.
You told me to do this, Rain. This is your fault.
Okay, I can let it go. No, I want it!
What happened?
But they're talking about my back right now. Then what do you think they're talking about?
Wala, kung ano lang.
Rain is not here. Where there is sky, there is rain. Where there is rain, there is sky.
Kaya patawag ko lang kayo.
Thank you and you're welcome.
Thank you, Inyo.
Thank you kasi making me laugh. You're welcome because I know you're enjoying it.
Are you jealous?
Yeah.
I wasn't even mad at Rain. She did start it though. I can't believe it.
Ba't yung naiiyak? Ano?
What's wrong?
Ito ba kayo good mo doon?
Why crying? You made her overthink.